Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the perfect curly lace front unit, and it's very beginner friendly as well. So this unit is from Wiggins Hair. It comes with an elastic band. Feel free to sew that on. You wouldn't even have to glue this unit down, to be honest, just using the elastic band. So this is what the texture looks like. It is a deep wave texture, but it appears to be curly. Sometimes wavy textures, although it says wavy, it has a curly appeal, and this one looks like a curly lace front unit. So as you can see, putting it on, it is pre-styled with the side part, but I am going to do a middle part. The lace is also this white, really light color, so if you're fair skinned, you won't have to do anything to the lace, but I have dark skin, so we got to do something to this lace. And y'all, the parting space is amazing. I believe this one has about 6 inches of parting, which is phenomenal. It comes with 2 combs on the side, one at the bottom for security. This unit is also pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything to the hairline. I feel like it's natural enough. It also comes with baby hair, and if you don't want the baby hair, you can simply just pull those back and it'll still look great. So I'm just wetting the hair down. I love the way the curls look right out of the package, but in order to really see how poppin' this unit is, wetting it and adding a product is really gonna do it even more justice. So I'm just spraying water right now. I don't have any product added and it already looks great. So I'm grabbing a leave-in conditioner, and while I thought this was gonna work and be great for the hair, it actually weighed it down. So I wouldn't recommend this product. I'm just showing you all what I used. You need something that's really lightweight for this texture of hair. But if you're someone who wants the hair to look weighed down and not have a great deal of volume, then go for it. Use a leave-in and it's gonna look awesome. Now, after completing this process, I'm gonna turn the unit over and I'm gonna do the Sally Hansen method, where I spray Sally Hansen airbrush spray on the lace, and it's going to create a flesh-like appeal.
What?
Alright y'all, so this unit is looking glorious so far. We've already customized the lace just by spraying some Sally Hansen. Super easy, quick and effective method. You don't have to tint, you don't have to bleach knots, anything. Super fast. Beginners, you need to try that hack. It's amazing. So now it's time to secure the unit down. Today, I'm not going to be using the Gossipy Glue Gel. I'm going to be using the freeze spray. So starting on my right side first, I'm just spraying the spray in the area that I want to secure it down first. And I'd actually recommend doing this without makeup on because it did kind of mess up my makeup a little bit. But nevertheless, after doing this, grab your blow dryer on the cool setting. Allow it to dry for maybe about 30 seconds or less, and then secure it in place. Now, you may have to go back in certain areas to redo the process if there are some areas that are lifting, but for the most part, it should be dry. So now I'm gonna go over to the center, and then I'm gonna move over to the left side, completing the same process. Super fast, super easy. Alright, so after securing it down, if the lace is a perfect match for your skin tone, then you're good. You can stop here, but it's not a perfect match on the edges. So I need to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Black Radiance foundation stick in color Color Bean. So I'm just spreading that over that area, and then I'm going to buff it out with my buffing brush. Alright, so everything's looking great so far. Now I decided to actually go into the part to actually refine it just a bit. It actually looks really good and scalp-like, but I wanted to add a loose powder to that area just to make it look even more natural. everything is laying the way that I want, I decided that I wanted to give the hair a bit more shape in the front just to frame my face a bit. I did get my unit in length 20 and I didn't want to cut off the length, so I decided to just frame my face by cutting some layers in the front. Now my unit was about 226 and that's for length 20 and 180% density. But if you were to start at length 10, the unit would be around $130, which would be a really, really beautiful bob with this texture of hair. So this is what the hair is looking like currently, but of course I wanted to do extra. So now I'm gonna go in with a foaming lotion, and this is probably what I should have used at the beginning, is just this, because for this texture you need something really lightweight and a foam would do it justice. So I'm using the Nairobi foaming mousse and I'm using my detangling brush to just define the curls, and I am scrunching the ends, and that's going to create a really nice round curl on the end, and I just love curls that have a really, really plush look on the ends. So after doing this, I'm going to go about diffusing the hair, and then I'll show you all the finished product. Y'all, this hair is absolutely stunning. It looks like it would be super expensive, but it wasn't. And the curls are just so beautiful. This hair feels really soft. I only had minimal shedding, and I showed you all that earlier in the video. And typically with any curly hair, when you wash it or when you put water on it and you manipulate it with a brush, then you're gonna have some hair that comes out. That's very normal. But this hair is so beautiful. I love how it's shaped and everything is kind of got that shorter look in the front and long in the back. It's so beautiful. I'm going to show you all my outfit in a moment. Just continue to enjoy the video. I'm going to give you all some ideas on how to style. My outfit details will also be included. So you all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing an affordable curly unit on my channel. I look forward to your feedback. Check the description box for the link to this unit. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.